Hello, Oral Persuasion English Level 3. My name is John Eriwando Ramirez. I am 28 years old. I am from Buga. Study in system engineering and from time like play video game, study was music. Park traditional, Parque Santa Bárbara or Parque Los Leones. Lyric of the Stream 9 by 30 and 30 Earl Street. It was inaugurated on July 29 in 1910. The commemorating centennial of the independence of Colombia. It was called Plaza de la Victoria in the Spillbury, now in the Parque de los Leones or Parque de Santa Bárbara. At the Beijing was named the server Santa Bárbara and liner for the victory in honor of the victory of Spain. In third day obelisk was elaborated. It had the approximate height of 10 meters. Remind the Bugueños in tourists of the triumph of the Patriota. In the Barren de San Juanito in remind an emperor of the elaborate. The bronze does count the central monument. To the present and photograph testimony and now. Today these are the 18th of popular the festival cultural politics activity in favor of the community. Bye.